Lisa, wake up, girl. Wake up. 5 more minutes, please, Anna. No way, sleepyhead. You said that 5 times already. Oh my, really? Did I? Yes, you even talked to your alarm. Oh my, oh dear, I did? What did I say? You said 5 more minutes. Oh no. I mean, my bed is just too cozy. Too cozy? You sound like an old grandma. At least grandmas wake up early. Well, thank you for waking me up. But you could sleep through an earthquake. Now, I said thanks already. 5 alarms couldn't wake you up. Maybe I need 10 next time. Or maybe you need me. Fine. Don't be mad, Anna. I'm not mad. Ugh. Standing there and calling for you makes me hungry. So, what do you think about me making some pancakes for both of us? You will? Yes, to compensate. I happened to buy some flour and milk yesterday. With extra syrup? Of course, my dear. Sweet breakfast for my sweet roomie. Aw, that's cute. Love you, Lisa. Deal. Just let me find my socks first. Don't fall asleep again, Lisa. Haha, I won't. Chef Lisa is coming to the kitchen. Finally! That's my girl.
Morning, Leo. Breakfast is ready.
Morning, Mom. What's on the menu today?
Toast and eggs, your favorite.
Where's my chicken breast, Mom?
What? You love toast and eggs.
I used to, Mom, but I am starting my gym now. I need chicken breast.
Oh dear, not again. You eat that every day.
Because I'm building muscle, Mom.
You're building boredom too, baby. It's so plain.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of lame and tasteless.
See, I told you, you need spices and flavor.
But what else can I eat that's still healthy?
How about chicken breast salad? I can add eggs, tomatoes, and a little sauce.
Oh, really? That sounds less sad.
Yes, and of course, your chicken breast. It's tasty and still good for your workout.
Wow, Mom. You are a genius. You always make things better, Mom.
Of course. Moms know the secret to tasty health. So, chicken salad it is.
Deal. For Mom's salad, I'll do anything.
That's my boy. Now, finish your toast and eggs first, then help me with the dishes.
Haha, you win, Mom. Love you.
Love you more.
Benny, the dishes are waiting for you.
Me? All right, you already cooked today.
That's how it usually works. Yes, I cooked, you clean.
But my back hurts. It's a serious problem.
Oh, really? It didn't hurt when you played basketball this morning.
That's different. Maybe because of that basketball, I am unable to stand straight now. Ugh.
Baby, I literally just saw you run around the living room to find the remote. You're not escaping tonight.
Come on, Maggie. Let's make it fair.
Fair? How?
Rock, paper, scissors. The loser washes the dishes.
You know what? Deal. 3 rounds, right?
Yep, best of 3. Let's go.
Round 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
No, you got paper, I got rock.
Haha, 1 for me. Haha.
Okay. Don't be too proud just yet. Round 2.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Scissors.
Again? Are you kidding me?
Haha, 2-0, my love. Do you even need the 3rd round?
Last chance. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock.
Scissors. Oh no.
3-0. I win.
This game is rigged, I swear.
Nope, just skill and luck, baby.
Fine. I'll wash the dishes.
Come on, my brave dishwasher. I'll cheer for you from this sofa.
Thanks, sweetheart. You're the best. And the meanest.
And don't you forget it. Okay, Dad, are you ready for your online meeting?
I think so. I just need to open the camera, right?
Yes, click the blue button there.
This one? Oh, now I can see myself.
Great, now turn on the microphone.
Got it. Wow, I look a little chubbier than usual, right?
The camera tends to make us rounder. You look amazing, Dad.
Do you think I look a little short? I can only see my face, not my suit.
Yes, that's one thing you need to adjust. You can move the laptop a little bit, like this.
Okay, a little bit to the left. Aha! Haha! I'm looking sharp now. I'm getting good at this technology thing.
I'm proud of you, Dad. You can do it.
Thanks, sweetie. So I just wait for them to join?
Yep, just relax. I'll go wash the dishes now.
Okay, thanks for the help. You're the best.
You're welcome. Call me if you need...
Wait, Emma, come back, hurry.
What happened, Dad?
No, look at me. What is this on my face?
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Stop laughing and help me fix this, Emma.
Dad, that's a cat filter.
A cat filter? Why do I have cat ears?
You must have clicked the wrong button.
They're joining now. Help, I can't remove it.
Don't worry. At least you look cute, Dad.
Cute? I'm meeting a client, not going to a cat show.
Hold on, I'll fix it. Stop meowing at the camera.
I'm not. It's the filter, I swear.
Okay, click here and here. Okay, done. Filter gone.
Thank goodness. That was terrifying.
Admit it, Dad. You were kind of adorable.
Don't tell anyone about this, okay?
No promises, Mr. Cat Boss. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found the conversations helpful. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now, we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us what 3 activities you do every day. Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.